Hey guys, Simon from the Stock Dog here, back with another top stock video. As the world looks to transition to cleaner sources of energy amid the climate crisis, nuclear power could offer a cleaner and cheaper alternative to fossil fuels. We're going to break down the best nuclear stocks to buy right now, so let's get into it. First up is American nuclear energy producer Exelon Corporation, ticker EXC. Headquartered in Chicago, the company is known for being the largest nuclear power plant operator in the country. With 14 plants and 23 reactors, they are responsible for supplying around 10 million customers with power for a total of 35,500 megawatts of energy. Their stock has seen some impressive growth over the past year, with a 32.9% increase, so this is definitely a stock to keep your uranium eye on. If you're a bit more of a clean freak and you're not really fancying nuclear energy, then be sure to check out our video on renewable technologies. You won't want to miss it. One company that has blown up in the last 5 years is Centrus Energy Corporation, ticker LEU. While probably not the best way to describe the rise of a nuclear energy company, they've seen a nearly 1,000% increase in stock price. The company's primary goal is to provide highly enriched uranium that's both reliable and diverse to pursue the long-term vision of a carbon-free, renewable and affordable power generation future. They are well on their way to achieving this, so investors should consider adding this one to their portfolio. While the energy providers are key to a nuclear future, they wouldn't be able to operate without our next company. BWX Technologies, ticker BWXT, is a supplier of nuclear components, technologies and fuels, and has a number of contracts within the United States. BWX reported annual revenue of $1.07 billion during its 2018 fiscal year, and the company has seen an increase of 43% in their stock price over the last 5, which is an impressive feat. Their products and services should continue to be in high demand in the future, which could make it a great pick. Colorado-based energy company Energy Fuels, ticker UUUU, are one of the leading producers of uranium in the United States, as well as producing a number of rare earth metals. With China as the current #1 exporter of these resources, Energy Fuels could provide an American-made alternative for industry, which has got many investors excited. All of these developments have had a positive effect on their stock, which has seen a 250% share price increase over the last year, and things don't look to be slowing down. Now could be a great time to get invested in this stock. Next up is Uranium Energy Corporation, ticker UEC. The company, based out of Corpus Christi, Texas, currently has control of one of the country's most prominent historical uranium deposits, and is now eyeing the acquisition of properties in the southwest, which will put them on track to achieve their aim to satisfy the world's ever-increasing demand for cheaper and cleaner energy production. Definitely keep an eye on this stock. Another uranium mining giant is Cameco Corporation, ticker CCJ. Headquartered in Saskatchewan, Canada, it's currently the world's biggest publicly traded uranium company, and is the third largest producer of uranium in the world. In fact, they are capable of producing more than 53 million pounds of uranium concentrates every year, thanks to its extensive global network of mines, reserves and refineries. The company has begun striking up deals with Chinese nuclear energy companies, which could prove lucrative in years to come, so now could be a great time to jump on board. One stock that is seeing some exciting forward momentum is Canadian uranium exploration and mining company Denison Mines, ticker DNN. Despite having no active mines, their price saw a 200% increase over the last year. This is partly as a result of their discovery of a high-grade uranium mine at McLean Lake South, as well as the development of 2 operations in Saskatchewan, which they're planning to open in 2024 and 2030 respectively. If everything goes as planned, Denison Mines could provide essential uranium supplies to nuclear power plants throughout North America, which can make it a great stock to add to your portfolio. The final stock on our list is Southern Wyoming-based URG, Inc, ticker URG. Despite being relatively new on the uranium scene, the company has still built 12 mining operations and has the capacity to process over 23 million pounds of uranium per year. Like many other uranium companies right now, URG is sitting at a near all-time high stock price and has already amassed a market cap of $403 million. With new projects in the pipeline, which could bring in 6.3 million pounds of uranium alone, this could be a great time to buy in. So, that's a wrap. The best nuclear stocks to buy right now. Not that we're fishing for compliments, but this list should set you well on your way to get investing in this space. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.